people, welcome to Promise World for the real gist. This matter so my people. Naira Marley don come outside, come tell us say he need mama and pikin wey be say he wan get am down with. This matter so everybody terrible. When I even hear this matter, when I read them, the thing shake my head. Naira Marley say need mama will be like 40 years or 39 years, while pikin will be 18 years. So na that one na dey hungry and so because he wan test mama and pikin the same time. This matter so e carry everywhere, shake everywhere. Everybody talking. Let's let me see come put my mouth. Let's see come talk about the matter. Because the matter e shock everybody. Nah, Ada come we come talk. That my people na listen wetin Ada talk about.
Naira Marley, now you I want to address this night, You don't make me sleep well. You're just very stupid. See, make I tell you something today, All of us now in the smoky Igbo. But Igbo they make person crazy, they make person head correct. If you own they make you do anyhow yarn or patter, bokwe. No, it's they call bokwe. Shut the fuck up. You hear what I tell you? That statement, maybe not cruise you won't catch. You don't get common sense. I used to like you a lot, man. I regretted the day I hugged you in the plane and I said, hey, president of whatever, because I like you. Man, you monkey. You fick up. I don't want to use the F word fully. See, make I come out these glasses safe. Come. All of us all of us get street credibility. When they worry you, they craze for the nonsense where they open your mouth, they yarn or patter, like picking will not get home training. Come on, stop the fick off. You know they see the likes of Don Jazzy and all that. You know they see what's in and they take their page and their fame they do. You are supposed to be an advocate of peace, sincerity, reality. Forget all the other thing we fame carry come. You know they see Funke Akindele them. You know they see actors and actresses, musicians, where they use their page judiciously, constructively. They use and apply wisdom to the life of other people. With all the tension where they go on for Nigeria, you don't get sense. You go do that kind of monkey statement. I had to unfollow you, man, because you don't get sense. They open your mouth, say you won't sleep. Tell your mother that Ada Grace Obandiame said, first of all, before you go sleep with mother and child, make your mama sleep with your papa brother. You don't get sense. I'm a mother. Yes, I lost my child. But I had plenty other children. But for a young boy like you to come out and write that silly stuff, I follow you. Why would I waste my time to follow an imbecile? Nothing wrong. May God judge me. Because I spoke to you. I dey smoke Igbo before now. And I know they shame to talk am. But anybody will go talk say na Igbo kolo in head to the point where they say you no get common sense again. You no get respect for him mama. Because if you can say that about
I hear what Ada talk about so. Ada koko, you can't give am the cocoa matter, you can't naki the matter, you can't give am the cocoa matter. Because you can't Ada call it and no say everybody they smoke Igbo, not the only one. They smoke the Igbo. At least who smoke and make you use the head. Because this matter someone Naira Marley come to say need mama because you won't get her down with so. But me not understand. And this person is Naira Marley so that person will say you don't see get your pikin no, you don't get daughter for that matter. Imagine now your daughter will just grow now. One more will just come out and say, Naira Marley daughter, I won't sleep with you and your daughter. Imagine that kind of talk. Imagine. Naira Marley so now people role model. People imagine when they look up to her now. How they won't come they do other will take extend on one they say they need the papa and pikin abi or mama and pikin when they want see nyash. Or they'll say that they find a 13-year-old virgin when they want see now. Abi even when they look up to her so. Imagine what this Naira Marley now come to people role model people. I don't want they use this and I don't let my mind. I come out they say want to do answer protest. when police threaten am small na him back out, na him come out now say na he wan sleep with mama and pikin. Imagine my people, abeg, ain't una reason for this matter when Naira Marley talk, because this matter no wetin dey talk put well like that, because Naira Marley e matter e tire everybody. If you don smoke igbo you no know wetin dey talk again. Thank God say never dey lis ten to music before, because now this apadabiti music when the people see dey dance dey shake nyash put, I no understand. But ain't una reason for this matter, abeg, let me discuss am for the comment section. Mona like this video, mona share, mona comment, abeg, mona try, mona subscribe to this channel for promise word for the real gist. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out. My people, this one soon with me though. One man kill his pikin because of food. Because of food though, now the man kill his pikin though. The man beat the pikin to death because the pikin eat food. Because of food, now he kill am to death. With the code for that woman just now put fire for pikin head. He say they tell am say na wish. No, this one na come come outside again now. He kill pikin because of say he eat food. Because before they carry the pikin reach hospital now, the pikin don die. You see the poverty wey full Africa. Poverty na cause this one wey make person go papa go kill your pikin, beat pikin to death because of food. Father, if Africa balance, make all your Africa no want your balance. No want your balance. Abeg, when I watch the video, they speak English, but they can't speak their language, Uganda language, because they speak and put. Abeg, when I watch the video, when I see what I talk about.
A 29-year-old man is being detained at Port Victoria Police Station, which is in Bundalangi in Busia County, after he allegedly beat up his 3-year-old son to death. The suspect, Vita Malo, is said to have surrendered himself to the police station immediately after his son died. The late Faustine Awino's mother says the suspect beat up their son over some food he ate before supper time. The body has been taken to Port Victoria Hospital mortuary, awaiting autopsy.
Niseme sio mtu mzuri, sababu hata mimi nimeishi tu na yeye hapa kwa kufumilia. Hata huyo bibi yake akishika huyo bibi yake anapiga bibi yake kama yule ambao sio bibi yake, na huyo mtoto anampiga kabisa. Hata nilijaribu kupiga report, hata kupigia sub chief report, hata kupigia Liguru report ya kwamba huyu ataua huyo mtoto, wanisaidie, lakini sikupata usaidizi yoyote.
Una see the video, so my people. Una see the video, he papa see where papa they talk with the language, say keep pikin because of food. Because of food though, Africa na suffer. You never see the man say, maybe that food is reserved for the next day, and pikin go shop and the anger. Now make am beat pikin. No say we never know say the pikin go even die. No, na this old man will see go prison and say kill your pikin. And he go regret am for the rest of his life. Say kill your son by himself because of food. In mama now when he carry that pikin for 9 months now, tell me I won't do now. Now go see think out till she die. Your husband kill your son with his hand because of food, and he go there for history now. So family keep pikin, beat pikin die because of say of food, because of the poverty in full Africa. The president they don't care about the citizen. This kind of will happen for European country now. Say my papa go beat pikin because of food. When they beg children to chop, eat. So they beg our children eat. I beg eat. Now we go carry one beat them say because they chop food will keep to death. I beg when we wanna leave this, wanna discuss anything wanna raise for this matter. I beg wanna help me discuss for the comment section. I beg wanna stay with me for promise word for the real gist. Stay tuned for my next video. Peace out.